Hi everyone, now we are going to discuss the last topic in the fifth module, that is theory part, stability of linear and non-linear system. Here we are going to discuss the stability of non-linear systems because in the previous semester already I have studied different methods for the stability analysis of linear system, Bode, Nyquist, Rutherford. So many methods are there for the analysis of the stable or not. Only for the linear system, those are not applicable for the non-linear systems. See, we can apply for the linear system, that is asymptotically stable or not, whatever Lyapunov stability analysis we are going to study here. See, non-linear system we can convert it into linear system, and also we can apply those methods to linear systems after that. Okay, so non-linear system na convert to linear system and we can apply, but this is not necessary for the Lyapunov stability analysis method. Here we can apply Lyapunov stability analysis for the stability analysis of non-linear systems. Okay, so that for the non-linear systems we can use the Lyapunov second method. Lyapunov second method, remember, that is Krasovsky's method. Very important, one of the theory part, important part here, that is Krasovsky's method. Okay, Lyapunov second method for the nonlinear system stability analysis by using Krasovsky method. See here, this is theory part. Okay, just their general instruction they have given. See here, in the Krasovsky method, it gives a sufficient condition for the equilibrium state to be asymptotically stable or not. Okay, so that considering here state equation x dot is equal to f of x, input is 0, only it is a function of x. Equilibrium state andre enirutte, x is at the origin, so origin andre x is value is 0, at the origin function is also 0. Is it clear? Therefore, here consider, for this explanation, we are considering a function v is equal to Lyapunov function. They are taking here v. V is a Lyapunov function is equal to f transpose pf. This is a quadratic equation. The previous video I already shown you quadratic equation. That is f transpose p is a matrix f. Okay. So here f transpose pf, where P is a symmetric positive definite matrix. Remember, it is a matrix. It is not only a matrix, it is a positive, symmetric positive definite matrix. Symmetric matrix andre enu. Okay, opposite elements in the matrix, opposite elements are same. That is symmetric matrix. Okay, so I will show how is the symmetric matrix later. See here. Next, you know that Lyapunov stability analysis means V is a positive definite, V dot is a what? Negative definite. Then the system is asymptotically stable. Therefore, V function is a positive definite because P matrix is a positive definite. Therefore, this equation gives the positive value. V function is a positive definite matrix. Therefore, V dot I have to take, because we are going to take the differential term of the Lyapunov function. Therefore, V dot is equal to, see here, this is U into V form. U andre enu F transpose, PF enidu V term. U into V form differentiated now with respect to T. Okay, see here, differentiate matter U into V form. See here, keep it PF as it is, differentiate F transpose dot PF plus F transpose F differentiate matter F transpose P F dot. Is it clear? U into V form, U V dot plus V U dot. Okay, therefore F once F transpose differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು F ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so here F dot is equal to, shall I write like this? F dot is equal to, this is your differentiation of F with respect to T, but F is a function of what? X, right? F is a function of x. Therefore, this is dou f by dou t, right? Dou f by dou t. I am writing dou f by dou t like this. Dou f by dou x into dou x by dou t. Is it same? Dou x get cancel. F dot is equal to dou f by dou t. Is it clear? Therefore, this dou f by dou x I am taking here j. Dou x by dou t I am taking f. This is jf. Therefore, f dot is equal to what here? Jf. Is it clear? F dot is equal to J into F. wherever f dot is there you have to substitute jf. f transpose dot ಅದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ J is the what? Jacobian matrix, right? Jacobian matrix they are giving here like this. Jacobian matrix is equal to dou f by dou x, right? J means dou f by dou x. Differentiation of f with respect to x. See, function f given equation, ಏನ್ equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು function. Okay, so one equation ಕೊಟ್ರೆ f1, second equation ಕೊಟ್ರೆ f2, like this. Okay, dou f1 by dou x1, dou f2 by dou x2. Okay, see here they have given wrong here, just do the correction. This is f1. f1 function with respect to x1, x2, x3 up to xn number. Is it clear? First row is with respect differentiation of f1, first function. Second row second function. Third row third function differentiation up to n number of function. Is it clear? ಒಂದೇ equation ಕೊಟ್ರೆ f1, ಎರಡು equation ಕೊಟ್ರೆ f1 f2, ಮೂರು equation ಕೊಟ್ರೆ f1 f2 f3. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ x1 ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x2 ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು differentiation with respect to those variables, right? Jacobian matrix is nothing but dou f by dou x. Okay, next, so here f dot is equal to what? F dot is equal to j into f. Is it clear? F dot is equal to j into f. Therefore substitute f dot ಎಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ j into f substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ f transpose ಎಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲ f transpose dot ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ j transpose f transpose substitute ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. f dot ಅಂದ್ರೆ jf ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, f transpose dot ಅಂದ್ರೆ j transpose f transpose substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, see here I am substituting that term in the previous equation. V dot is equal to f transpose dot ಅದಲ್ಲ f into j transpose pf plus f transpose p. F dot ittu replace f dot by j into f. Okay, see, arrange the equation like that. Quadratic equation andre enu? See here, see, this is the what? Quadratic term f transpose pf. ಇದೇ ತರ arrange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು equation na, right? So f transpose first common outside ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ f common outside ತೆಗಿರಿ, middle ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ that is a matrix. Is it clear? Like this quadratic form you have to arrange it. See here, okay, ಈ equation ನ rearrange ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. f ಇದ್ರಾಗ f transpose ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ f ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, f transpose p f. ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ that is a p matrix, that is a matrix form. f transpose f ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಉಳಿಕಿದ ಬರ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ f transpose f ಹೊರಗದ ಉಳಿತೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ j transpose into p plus p j. ಈ ಕಡೆ f ಹೊರಗದ, ಈ ಕಡೆ f transpose ಹೊರಗದ. ಓಕೆ, therefore this middle term is J is nothing but Jacobian matrix, P is nothing but a symmetric positive definite matrix. Therefore this full bracket term is nothing but a matrix. It is a matrix form. Therefore I am taking this term as a Q term. Q is equal to J transpose P plus PJ. Remember this continuous ಇದೇ ತರನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. J transpose P plus PJ. Remember this one, Q is equal to this matrix. Okay, where V is a positive definite, but here V dot is a negative definite. Why V dot is a negative definite? Differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so ಅದನ್ನ negative ಅಂತ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Q is a negative definite, therefore V dot is a negative definite. Like this you have to write the comment. If x tends to infinity, that is asymptotically stable in large. This comment you have to write after solving the problem. Is it clear? See here, they have given alternate method. Alternative Lyapunov function is taken. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು v is equal to ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ v of x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. ಇದನ್ನರೇ ತಗೋರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದನ್ನರೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಸೋವ್ಸ್ಕಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು f ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ p f ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ v of x f of x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ, p ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ವೇರ್ j is the Jacobian matrix. ಓಕೆ, f dot is equal to dou f by dou x by dou t. Okay, this is the j and this is the f. Therefore j into f ಬರಿಬರ್ಲಿ j of x f of x. Okay, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ x ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತಗೊಂಡಾರು. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. f ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿರಿ, f ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ರೈಟ್? See, if in the Krasowski method they ask example, give the example ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ರ illustration is nothing but example for the Kursowski's method. Is it clear? Therefore they have taken x1 dot x2 dot two equation ತಗೊಂಡಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು first one f1 ಇದು f2. Therefore two functions f1, first one f1, second is f2. Is it clear? See here. Write it here, f1 f2. Okay, next Jacobian matrix ಬರೀರಿ first. J is equal to ಎರಡೇ ಅದಾವ. first row ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ differentiation of function first, second row differentiation of second equation, that is function 2. Dou f1 by dou x1, dou f1 by dou x2, dou f2 by dou x1, dou f2 by dou x2. Okay, so first function with respect to x1, second with respect to x2, next with respect to xn, x2 differentiate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you will get this equation. Okay, with respect to x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ g1 dash plus 0, with respect to x2 ಐತಿ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, g2 dash. Okay, next with respect to x1 with a1 and this is 0, this is with respect to x2 0 and b. Okay, therefore substitute in the matrix, that is J cap andre matrix ಏನದಲ್ಲ matrix arrange ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. This is the example, right? Next